Hello. I've got this offer from, it's called Keysfan.com website. They gave me some discount codes to offer on this, my YouTube channel for people on buying genuine OEM software from Microsoft and other software developers. So this is like a directory of a place to buy different software. And I've got discount codes for 52% off the price for Windows operating system licenses, and then 62% off on Microsoft Office packages. So that's a great deal. This is what you're seeing here is what the final price would be with the discount taken off. So these are the prices you'd get them for. So this is a summer sale going on. Right here you'll see the two codes to use at checkout. This isn't applied automatically. You've got to put the codes in when you go through the checkout cart process. So this one, Zoe 52 for 52% off, and Zoe 62 for 62% off, and they each work for the different types of licenses. So yeah, I'm going to put all these links in the video description. Again, these are fully functional licenses sold on here, so this is a legit website. This isn't some scam, sells you adware to or includes adware in the downloads, stuff like that. That's what some of these sites do. And so this is legit, good site to use. Now these are the only products that are discounted through this summer sale, which they show up here, up to 62% off there. There are other, like all software here, will show you everything they offer. So it's just a ton of different products and software. So yeah, I'm going to put these codes down in that video description. Let me know if you run into any questions. When you do go through the checkout process, which I'll go back to one of these, I'll kind of show you how this works before I leave you. So let's say I want to do this 2024 Office. So I'll hit buy here. You have to click on the buy, and then you'll add this to your cart. View cart. Then it's kind of a normal checkout process. Here is where you're going to put in that discount code. So see, right now it's a full price, so you'll put in that there, apply discount. Now it discounted it here, 62% off, and then you'll check out. So that's how that will work for you. Go check them out. You know, this is a good deal for now. So again, all the links will be down there in the video description. Let me know if you have any troubles. I can put you in contact with the person I work with there. But they have been really good to offer these codes for me to give out. Thanks for watching today. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and like this video if you did like it.